I'm here to explain about how to manage an account. You click on Site Administration. When you click on Site Administration, click on Users, then click Accounts. When you click Accounts, you will see that the features on the accounts are listed, where we have Browse list of users, bulk user actions, add a new user, user profile field, Concur, upload users, upload user picture. Now let's look at browse list of users. When we click on browse list of users, you will see the list of users that we have so far on our Moodle site. We have 4 users that are registered or that have an account in the Moodle site here. You have the user first name, the email address, the city or town, the country, last access, and then edit. You can edit the user's information here. Then the next one is block user action. Block user action. The page is loading. That's the page for the block user action, whereby you have new filters, user full name. If you want to filter the user's full name, then you click on add filter, you select the item, then click on add filter. Users in the list. These are the list of users we have so far. So any user you want to select, you have to highlight the user's name. Then either you add to selection or you remove it from the selection, or you click on add all or remove from all. Then any user you select, it will appear on the dialog box for the selected users. Then we move to add a new user. How to add a new user? It's loading because the system is very slow. So that's the page. You have to type the username. You have to give the user which name he or she want to use as the username. Then choose an authentication method, whether it's one of the manual accounts. You choose the one that you want. There are so many of them. You have the method suspended accounts, right? If you want to suspend the user's account, then you have to select that. But at the moment we don't need that. And also here you have to type the user password. This should be 8 characters, at least 1 digit, or at least 1 lowercase also, and 1 uppercase. Then you have the first name of the user, the last name, that's the surname, the email address, all those informations have to be filled. Then you type yours also from form, the form tracking, when editing text, screen reader, etc. These are the types of information you have to fill in this form to create a user account. The city and town is compulsory, you have to fill it, and also the country. Then the description is optional. You can, if you like, you can fill the description, and also you can add the user picture by dragging and dropping the file, the picture here, or you upload it. The interest is optional. Then you have optional web page, ISD phone number, the ID number, email number, etc. Then you upload your file. After adding user, we have to click on user profile field. User profile field. That's the user profile field at the moment, because we haven't created anyone here, so it's empty. That's why we have user profile fields, other fields. Create a new profile field. If you want to create a new one, you select the one you want. Then you click on create a new profile category also to create the category of the profile. But at the moment we haven't created anything here. That's the reason why it's not showing you the ones that are activated. Then we have Concur. system available concourse, you have to enroll users. When you say concourse, it's just like enrolling something in a group, right? When you enroll the users, you don't have to enroll it individually or one at a time. But if you're using Concur, you can enroll them at once, right? By giving them a Concur name, which is going to be the group name. For example, I have created one here, which is called IPC, and the Concur ID is one. Then you have to write a description, the Concur size, source, etc. So when you're creating Concur, you can enroll the users at once instead of enrolling them one at a time. Then we have upload users. Upload users. You might have users list in a file that you have saved. So you just drag and drop the file here, or else you click on choose a file to upload it from a file location. And then it depends on the type of file, whether it's a CSV file, whether you have to use encoding UTF-8, preview, pen, etc. Then you click on upload. Then we have to go to upload user picture. How to upload the user picture. Uploading user picture is almost the same as uploading users. You just drag and drop the file name here, or you click on choose a file and then upload it from a location. It depends on where you save the file. Then you can have the user name attribute to use to match pictures, override existing user pictures. So you have to select the ones you need and then click on upload user picture. The user's picture will appear on the bottom. Thank you. That's the end of my session.